because I am in Brazil, right? And here is 7 and 30.
Yeah.
And normal way, I just use this time or this space after my job, right? Sometimes I am working from home, sometimes, right? And
Yeah.
try to use this interval or this slot
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah.
just to improve the English and so on, right? That should be the
Hmm.
idea here, right? Good.
Yeah, actually, I have two or three students, yes, Brazilian students, and I have class usually in these moments, yes, and it's for example 2 or 3 a.m. there, and for you also, if you are freezing there, it's winter, and for you it's summer.
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Yeah,
Now we are in the summer. Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's
yeah,
good,
yeah.
right?
Okay, so Fabricio,
So,
if I spell your name correct, yeah? Fabricio.
yeah, yeah, that's
Ah,
perfect.
yeah, okay, okay.
Sounds good.
So Fabricio, let's get to know each other. Talk about yourself.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me introduce myself and let me explain what exactly I am looking for, right? Let me give all the context.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
Tell me if you cannot understand, if I am speaking very fast or not, if you get some difficult to understand, I can speak a little more slow, just to tell me, just to calibrating the velocity and so on, right?
Okay,
So, I believe you know about Brazil. Brazil, the English is not, should be, right, the second language, but it's not, right? The official language is Portuguese. And in the scholarship, sometimes we tried just to learn English, but it's not happened the appropriate way. And there is no, for example, some incentive from the government. And the normal way Brazilian guys know a little about the English due to, for example, the job or the real necessity someone, right? I am working with technology and I am working on of this big tech here in Brazil. And I am working on this segment more than 20 years. And since I started in technology, I need to just to go a little more deeply in terms of the language, right? In terms of the English. During this time, I just to try the different methodology. It goes since the normal, the regular classes, for example, once or twice per week. The methodology very old as compared, for example, the real world necessity. I tried the classes, private classes are considering, for example, the group classes just to be a little more, just to try to accelerate that. And the great part of the company that I worked it was a global company. And during this time, I needed just to challenge myself and sometimes just to facing the situation, just to join the conference call, talk to the customer, talk to the different people worldwide, doesn't matter the from, right, or the source in this case. For example, Chinese, India, European in general, the American, the UK guys, and so on, right? But to summarize that, I believe I didn't have the one English very good in terms of, for example, very organized, very structured, right? And I can communicate. It doesn't matter, right? I can talk. The level that I have right now is very good for me in terms of just thinking my job, right? But sometimes it's good in terms of the when we are in the job or we are just to talk, for example, to the customer, improve a little, right? Avoid some mistakes because sometimes normal way you have just one choice or just one shot to say the right message, just to say something. And despite the fact the corporative world, they accept a lot some mistakes, is very good because it's very respectful word, but I know how much